First we have the theorem 6.1. So according to this theorem, if two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. So now I will draw two lines, okay, such that it intersects each other. Okay, A, B and C, D I am drawing here. These are the two lines which intersect each other. Then the vertically opposite angle. So which will be the vertically opposite angle? Now this is the point O. It is the point where these two lines are intersecting. Now the vertically opposite angle is AOD and COB. Is it? These are the vertically opposite angles. So here it is given that vertically opposite angles are equal. So I will show. So we have to prove that number 1, angle AOD equal angle COB. So these are the vertically opposite angles, and also we have another vertically opposite angle, that is angle AOC equal angle BOD. So these are the two vertically opposite angles, and we have to prove that they are equal. So let's prove it now. So to prove, here we are seeing that OA is a ray on the line CD. So I'm going to write OA is a ray on the line CD. Okay, if O is a line on the if OA is a ray on the line CD, then what can we write? That angle AOC plus angle AOD will be equal to 180 degree. How? Because since this OA is a ray and CD is the line, these two angles will be the adjacent angles, and we know that the sum of the adjacent angles are 180 degree, so they make a linear pair. Okay, now first part we got this. So for second, for the second part, let's take as OD as a ray and AB as a line. So if we take OD as a ray on the line AB, then what will we get? We will get that angle BOD plus angle AOD will be equal to 180 degree. This is also a linear pair. How this is linear pair? AOD and DOB, they will form a angle that is 180 degree. Now if I take this as equation 1 and this as equation 2, okay, so what we can write is angle AOC plus angle AOD will be equal angle BOD plus angle AOD. So this will get cancelled, and hence we will find angle AOC will be angle BOD. Hence we have proved the second one, that these vertically AOC and BOD is equal. Vertically opposite angle is equal. Now similarly for the next angle, that is angle AOD and angle COB, for this we can prove in the similar manner. Like we have to take another ray, that is if we take if we take the ray as OB is a ray on the line if we take OB as a ray on the line CD, okay, OB as a ray on the line CD, then we get angle COB plus angle BOD will be equal to 180 degree. What we get? Angle COB plus angle BOD will be equal to 180 degree. Then again similarly, if we take another ray, that is OD is a ray on the line, OD as a ray on the line AB, what we get? We get as angle AOD plus angle BOD, it will be equal to 180 degree. Again similarly, if we take this as equation 3 and this as equation 4, what we get? We get that angle COB plus angle BOD will be equal to angle AOD plus angle BOD, which implies that angle COB will be equal to angle angle COD will be equal to angle AOD. So this is our proof. So like this way, in this way, if we find out a ray and if we find the adjacent angles and if we show it as 180 degree and if we equate these equations, we can get that these are the vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, so here you can write from equation 1 and 2. Okay, and similarly here you can write it as from equation 3 and 4. Okay, so for your convenience you can write this, and that's all. That's the first theorem today. This is the last question and it is the example number 2. So in figure 6.10, ray OS stands on the line POQ. Ray OR and ray OT are angle bisectors of angle POS and angle SOQ respectively. So it is also given that angle POS is equal X. POS, this whole angle, it is given as angle X. So we have to find angle ROT. ROT, we have to find this whole angle. So now since it is given that ray OR is the angle bisector of angle SOP or POS. So angle bisector means that this ray will divide this whole angle into two halves. So if we have to find angle ROS, how can we find? We have to ROS will be half of angle POS and angle ROP will be half of angle POS. So now I'm writing here that, so it is given angle POS will be equal to X. It is given. So from this diagram, from this figure, we can write that angle POS plus angle SOQ will be equal to 180 degree. POS and SOQ will be equal to 180 degrees since we take OS as a ray. OS is a ray on the line PQ. If we take OS as a ray on the line PQ, then we see that this angle and this angle, it makes 180 degree. So POS is given X. So here I am writing it as X plus angle SOQ will be equal to 180 degree. So now we get angle SOQ is equal 180 degree minus X. So this is angle SOQ. Now if we see that OR is a ray and it bisects angle POS. If we take OR is the ray and it bisects the angle SOP or POS, then what we will get, as I have told earlier, that angle, if we have to find angle ROS, it will be half into angle POS. S. Okay, so half into angle POS is X. So here we can write it as X by 2. Okay, similarly, if we have to find from this side, if we have to find angle SOT, okay, so here I'm writing it that OT is a ray and it bisects angle SOQ. So from here, if we find angle SOT, it will be half into angle SOQ. That is half into SOQ. We got it before as 180 degree minus X. Okay, 180 degree minus X. So we are just putting the values here. So it will be equal to half into 180 degree minus half into X, which will be equal to 90 degree minus X by 2. So here I am rubbing this, okay, and I'm writing it again. So angle SOT will be equal to 90 degree minus X by 2. Now finally what we have to do is we have to find angle ROT. We have to find this angle. So angle ROT will be equal to angle ROS plus angle SOT. Is it angle ROS plus angle SOT? So ROS we have got X by 2 and angle SOT we have got 90 degree minus X by 2. 90 degree minus X by 2. So here our answer will be equal to X by 2 plus 90 degree minus X by 2. This X by 2 and this X by 2 will get cancelled, and so our answer will be equal to 90 degree. That's the answer. So ROT will be 90 degree. So the next video that I'm gonna make is from exercise 6.1. Okay, from exercise 6.1 I will try to cover all the questions from 1 to 6. I will try to cover all the questions in the... Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video, and if you want more similar videos like this, you can comment on the comment section below. And